Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a review on the Body Shop Tea Tree range. It's one of their best selling range and they have a ton of different products. So it's basically for those with combination or oily, acne prone, blemished skin. So I don't have all of their products, I just have a few from that range. So if you want to know what are my thoughts on these products, then please keep on watching. So the first product that I want to show you is the Body Shop Tea Tree Skin Clearing Toner. Now there was a time when I didn't know anything much about a toner. Even when I knew, I didn't feel it was important for my skin. But I anyways went ahead and bought a Neutrogena toner, which I think was like for brightening. I'm not really sure. I used it for a while, but I didn't feel any difference in my skin, so I stopped using it. And I just thought maybe toners are not at all important. But then again, my skin just started breaking out. It was not looking good and I had clogged pores and it just didn't feel good. So then I kind of started doing a bit of research on skincare routine and how to take care of your skin during acne. And every article mentioned to include a toner in your skincare routine and how important it is to include a toner. So if you're someone like me who thought that toners are not important, then I must tell you that go ahead and buy a toner which is meant for your skin type. It's really important to include a toner because toners do that extra cleansing of your skin. They remove every last trace of any product which would be on your skin, like makeup or any product that you must have used. And they also absorb all the excess oil, they remove any dirt from your skin, and they diminish the pore size and also help to maintain the pH balance of your skin. So there are many reasons to include a toner in your skincare routine. So that's why I went ahead and bought this toner from Body Shop because it had amazing reviews. So I was really wanting to try this one, and I have been using this for months now and I just love this toner. It comes in this bottle and you get 250 ml of product, which is like a very good quantity of product, and it says sweeps away traces of impurities for clearer looking skin, leaves skin looking mattified. So it does everything that it claims. Ever since I have been using it, I have noticed such a good difference in my skin. I started having less breakouts, my pores were diminished, and my skin just felt so clear and good. It just felt good overall. So every time I have a face wash, I make it a point to use this toner. It's really amazing. It has kind of like a white solid residue underneath and the liquid on top, so you're supposed to shake it very well before you use it. And I just use my cotton pad. I just use a little bit of the toner and sweep it all over my face, concentrating on those areas where I tend to get oily or have pores. So if you're someone with combination oily, acne prone skin, you must definitely try out this toner. This one is so amazing. Next up is the Tea Tree Squeaky Clean Scrub, and you get 100 ml of product in this tube. Again, I have been using this product for such a long time now and I still have so much of it left. So this says that it unclogs pores without over drying the skin, with community fair trade organic tea tree oil suitable for blemished skin. So this scrub has very minute exfoliating particles, like very fine, and it lathers really well. The first time I ever used it, I felt that the tea tree scent was a bit powerful and kind of irritated my eyes, but that was just for the first use. I didn't feel that in my later uses. So yeah, that was just for the first use. And this scrub is really nice. It feels so refreshing when you use it, and as I said, it has those tiny exfoliating particles, so it doesn't feel harsh on your skin at all. It lathers really well and it clears my skin really well. My skin feels so soft after using this. It removes all the dead skin without making it dry as it claims. It doesn't make it dry, which is really good. So I like this scrub. I use this like twice or thrice a week and it works really good for me. It to some extent also removes my whiteheads. So again, this is a very nice product and give it a try. So the next product is my holy grail product. I don't think I can ever live without this product. I love it so much, and I'm sure you must have already guessed what the product is, and it's the Body Shop Tea Tree Oil. And oh my god, I love this product so much. If you're combination oily, acne prone skin, you must definitely go ahead and buy this. This is such an amazing product. I don't use it all the time. I only use it when I have acne. So if I can see that my skin is going to break out, I go ahead and apply this only on those areas where I can notice any breakout. So you can use a Q-tip or you can just use your fingers and just apply it on those areas. And I wouldn't say it's like a miracle product and overnight your acne is gone. No, it's not going to do that, but it's definitely going to speed up the acne clearing process. So every time I use this, I notice that my acne reduces in size considerably and very quickly, and it definitely clears my acne very fast, which otherwise it wouldn't happen. So if I apply it like immediately when I notice a breakout, then within a week my acne is gone. I highly recommend buying this product. This is like a must have for anyone with acne prone skin. So the last product that I have from the Tea Tree range is the Tea Tree Blemish Fade Night Lotion. This is how it looks like. It comes in this nice little tube and you get 30 ml of product, and it's very lightweight and it's very convenient for travel. And I have used this for a long time and I'm actually out. I think there's hardly any product left in this. And this says suitable for blemished skin, helps improve the appearance of blemish damaged skin. So some moisturizers that I've used in the past would make my skin look like a greasy mess the next morning. I would look so greasy and I just didn't like that. And this lotion never did that to me. It never made my skin look greasy. So that's one thing I love about this lotion. It's very lightweight. It smells really refreshing. The tea tree scent is not very powerful and it just absorbs into the skin very quickly and it makes you look almost mattified, but it still hydrates your skin. Now coming to the blemish fading part, I didn't really notice a major difference in that. It slightly reduced the appearance of blemishes, but they didn't fade away completely. So I would say that if you're someone with super oily skin, then this one is a really good lotion to include in your skincare because it's going to hydrate your skin and also not make it look greasy. So these were all the products that I tried from the Tea Tree range. If you all have tried any products from that range, then please do let me know which are your favorites so that I can go ahead and try them out. So I hope you liked this video. If you all did, then please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I'll meet you soon in my next video. Bye bye.